Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Miriam. If you are new, in today's video we are going to be sharing 6 tips to improve your bathroom right now. Number 1 is paint. Paint is very important when it comes to designing a room. No matter what color paint you choose, having that crisp, clean paint can make a big difference in the room. You can use the same color paint if you notice that the paint is chipping in a certain area, or maybe you just want to change the color of the room totally altogether. I also recommend, if you can, because I know some of you are renting, painting also your cabinets and painting also like your mirror, your woodwork, or anything that you have, just to give it a different look or a crisp and clean look. So if you can also paint your cabinets. If you cannot, then you can work with the colors that you have and just try to implement colors that you know would go with what you already have in your home. Number 2, install shelves. Get rid of that medicine cabinet that most bathrooms have. It takes up too much space in your bathroom. It makes the bathroom look small. It's ugly. I don't like them. But yeah, just get rid of that if you can, totally, and just open up the room and it'll make it look a lot bigger, a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. And install shelves. When you install shelves, you can do more than one. You can design it however you want. It's just a cleaner look when you are designing a bathroom. Especially they have the shelves now that you can use with different colors, and you can design it with like your Q-tips and some decorative items that'll also bring a light to your room. So number 3, add greenery. Greenery, greenery, greenery. You can never have enough greenery. Greenery just makes the room just feel so expensive. Greenery you can get at your local dollar store. You guys seen a whole bunch of my DIY videos where I make flowers and greenery and things of that nature, just to add in my space. And don't forget to declutter. Number 4, you have to clear your shelves, clear your areas, make sure whatever you're not using or whatever you're done using, you put away. It just makes the room look a lot cleaner and crisp and clean and more expensive. Number 5, color coordinate. Do not have a whole bunch of colors going on because it's not going to look right. Make sure that you use colors that you do like and enjoy, and just try to stick to them. As you look around, your eyes are catching a whole bunch of blacks and whites, and it's all coordinated, which makes the room look a lot more expensive and clean and crisp, which is what we're going for. So the most important, number 6, is clean. Clean, clean, clean. If you implement everything in number 1 to 5 that I just informed you of, and you don't clean, it's pointless. Okay, cleaning is more important than anything else that we spoke about. Even if you are not able to do the list that I gave from 1 to 5, even if you just clean, it'll make your room look a lot better, a lot more decent. So just make sure you clean your areas, wipe your sinks down. It depends how many people you have living in your home, but you should definitely be cleaning at least once a week. So try these 6 things and let me know how it works for you. And I thank you guys so much for watching the video. As usual, if this is helpful, please let me know in the comment section below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed.